Hello everyone, I'm Angela, a secondary 3 student from National Junior College. Today, my friends and I will be sharing with you more about the co-curriculum activities in our school. Firstly, I will start off with a special program called the CAFE program. CAFE, short for Co-curriculum Activities for Exposure, is a program unique to NJC where it allows a new batch of Secondary 1 students to try out 2 CCAs, one sports and one performing arts, before committing to it. Personally, I got to try out string ensemble as well as track and field. I wasn't a sports person before I joined NJC, but Cafe Charles changed my perspective and I ended up joining track. I feel that Cafe Charles is a good avenue to help students decide which CCA they would like to commit to. Now, I will get a few of our students to share with you more about the various CCAs in NJC.
Hello all, my name is Jiveloy and I'm a DSA student in the Canoeing and Dragonboat CCA. My DSA experience was something very memorable to me. It was a 5-month long process in which we had CCA trials followed by interviews. This process helped me get familiar with the training schedule and dynamics that the team members have in the CCA. Like most other sports CCAs in NJC, training sessions are usually held twice a week, around 2.5 hours each time in lower secondary. Under the guidance of our dedicated coaches and teachers, we hone our canoeing skills as well as learn many values such as resilience, which will help us become better sportsmen and people in society. In canoeing, we get many opportunities to represent NJC in many competitions. Being able to row for my college is something that I'm proud of and something that I train hard for every training alongside my teammates. Now, I'll hand over my time to my friend Akil, who will be sharing you more about his band experience.
Hi, my name is Akil and I will be telling you more about the Symphonic Band. The highlight of my band journey thus far has been taking part in the SYF Arts presentation. Even though the preparation for it was really intense, it all paid off as I got to form closer bonds with my bandmates and we managed to get a distinction. To join band, you do not need to have any prior experience because we have the beginner band where we learn the basics. Other than band, NJC also has many other performing arts CCAs such as our 4 different dance groups, guitar ensemble, string ensemble, and many others. Being in a performing arts CCA lets you experience the joy of presenting an item to a big audience under a spotlight, so it is definitely worth considering. With so many performances and events that NJC runs each year, there are many memorable moments to be captured. Next up, my friend Natalie will share more about her CCA, photography.
Hello, my name is Natalie from GH4 and I'll be sharing with you about my CCA Photographic Society. What I enjoy most about my CCA is that we get to bond and improve on our skills together. I look forward to club activities as I get to try out the various equipments. Some opportunities that my CCA offer are event coverages and many more. Lower secondary school students are encouraged to pick up a niche CCA which is either a sports or performing arts CCA and can only take up a clubs and society CCA like mine as a second CCA. Other than photography, there are many other clubs and society CCA available that you can choose as a second CCA. Now, my friend Angela will share with you more about the Student Council. Hello again, I'm Angela, a secondary 3 member of the NJC Student Council. Firstly, I would like to clarify that Council is not a CCA. It's an additional leadership commitment on top of regular schoolwork and CCA. Admission into Council requires a 6-month selection process where counsellors and teachers will assess applicants based on their leadership aptitude and potential. As counsellors, we work together, sometimes with the student population, to plan events and make school life better for all. A useful skill acquired when I joined Council is time management. On top of regular schoolwork and CCA, the different initiatives take time to plan too. Thus, I'm forced to allocate my time properly to make sure that I have time for everything. One thing you can look forward to when joining Council is the leadership skills you develop. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you have learned more about the CCAs NJ has to offer. Feel free to visit our NJC website for more information.